वेल हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज की इस वाली वीडियो में हम लोग चेकआउट करने वाले हैं अ गेम कॉल्ड टेल्स बियॉन्ड द टॉम्ब द वाइट साइलेंस। इससे पहले मैंने इनका एक और गेम भी खेल रखा है जिसका नाम था टेल्स बियॉन्ड द टॉम्ब द फार्म सीक्रेट, एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग काफ़ी अच्छा गेम था, काफ़ी अच्छी तरह डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया गया था। और एक और चीज़, ये दोनों गेम्स जो हैं वो रियल लाइफ इवेंट्स पर बेस्ड हैं, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है। ओके लेट्स गो। नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस एंड पीपल हैव बीन चेंज टू प्रोटेक्ट द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द विक्टिम्स। एज आई टोल्ड यू गाइस, दिस गेम इज बेस्ड और इंस्पायर्ड बाय रियल इवेंट्स। इफ डेल रशिया, Saturday, August 17, 1993.
Among the frozen mountains lie ancient secrets. Tales so dark they were never meant to be uncovered. Those who dared to seek the truth never returned.
Okay, let's go. ये है गाड़ी है हमारी। I really need a hot coffee. Space exit. I guess ये हमारी गाड़ी है। बढ़िया है। We need a hot coffee. Okay, let's go. Hello, sir or madam, whatever you are. हेलो सर, उठ जा। ऐसे काम करते हैं? सो रहा है? मैं चोरी करूं? अच्छा, घंटी बजानी है। ए बाबले, उठा उठा। What? Damn it! Is it that late already? Are you local? No, I just needed a hot coffee before continuing my trip. No one usually shows up around here, especially this time of year. Where are you headed? Dad, love, pass, personal research. Is there a problem? Dad, love. You are just another curious one. Is that it? My name is Alexei Morozo. I am writing an article about the mountaineers. My father, he was one of the mountaineers guided by Dyatlov. I don't know what is this. मैं गलत pronounce कर सकता हूँ. Nikolai. He wasn't afraid of anything. Great. I was only 7 years old when he left. I am truly. They didn't die, they were taken. What do you mean by they were taken? Want some advice, Mr. Alexei? Go back home, back to your life. There's nothing to be discovered in those mountains. डरा रहा है तू मुझे? You know, मैं किसी चीज़ से नहीं डरता और मैं रिसर्च करके जाऊँगा। I didn't come all this way to give up. Exactly. I have prepared a long time for this. Your courage is admirable. It reminds me of my father. I could be your father. तो बेटा है तू मेरा. I am honored to meet the son of one of the mountaineers I read about, Nikolai. In the depth of my place, there is a memorial wall dedicated to them. You are welcome to view it. It contains photographs and original documents. I'd be excited to see it. And of course, the coffee. There's a machine right there. Thank you very much. रैक के बराबर में. ओह, ये रहा. Okay, let's go. Oh, read not. Read. Before we set off toward the mountains, we made a brief stop in Vizay, the last inhabited village before the vastness of the northern Urals. We gathered supplies, registered a route, and spent one last night under a warm roof. From here on, it will be nothing but snow, wind, and silence. Nikolai. Great. अच्छे अंकल थे, निकोलाई अंकल। और डरा रखी है बुढ़ाऊ। Those who dare to return there rarely come back the same. I will go all the way to find something. Only clue that reveals what happened there. चल कॉफ़ी लेन दे. Did you hear that? Just the wind and the snow falling outside. Are you okay? I'm fine. Just tired. By the way, my name is Mikhail. पूछा मैंने. You should get back on the road soon. I heard there will be some windstorms tonight. Thank you for showing me the memorial, Mikhail. I am going to grab my coffee and head out. And remember, don't let the voices cloud your mind. What does that mean? Sorry, sometimes I talk too much. Loneliness and this weather make people crazy. Don't worry, it was a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Mikhail. Grab your camera from the car. अरे कॉफ़ी चाहिए अभी, camera from the car. What the hell? Where is the camera? Okay, camera. Take the photo of the file board. Mr. Mikhail, I'm here to take a selfie with you. आ जाइए बाहर. Let's take the photo of the file board. Take the photo of the file board. हो गया? Yeah. थोड़ा okay. ऐसे ऐसे करना है. अरे एकदम पुराने ज़माने वाले कैमरे हैं. ग्रैब अ कॉफ़ी. अब पी रहे हैं कॉफ़ी. पहले कॉफ़ी पीनी थी. ये फालतू वालतू काम करने ही नहीं थे. अरे यार, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी, कैपेचिनो, कॉफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग. ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, सबसे सस्ती. लेट्स गो. लेट्स ग्रैब द कॉफ़ी एंड चलता हूँ मिस्टर मिखाइल. ड्रिंक द कॉफ़ी. बढ़िया मौसम हो रहा है, एकदम ख़त्म हो गई. चल डस्टबिन में डाल. Better than nothing. I better hit the road. Yeah, we should hit the road. Let's go. ये क्या बदतमीजी है? कौन है तू? हेलो मिस्टर. इधर आ, इधर इधर देख. Look me in the eyes. Hey, you scared me. Sir, can you hear me? Oh, I am sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. You didn't mean to scare me? ऐसे तू मेरी गाड़ी की खिड़की में देखेगा? हार्ट अटैक आ गया था मेरे को. Damn, didn't you see me inside the car? जवाब दे. वे लो. ओ सॉरी सर, सॉरी. अरे स्वे. ओ अंधा है ये. आई एम सॉरी. आई हैवंट सीन एनीथिंग इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. I am sorry. I didn't know. Don't worry. To be honest, I think it was the best thing that ever happened to me. मेरे को डराने में मज़ा आया तेरे को. I can hear her. She watches over the mountains just like Mother Nature. Who are you talking about, sir? The witch. She gets into people's mind. She wanders through those mountains. यार सारे सटके हुए हैं. वो अंदर पता नहीं क्या बातें कर रहा था. ये पता नहीं. आई एम सॉरी सर बट आई हैव टू गो. यस चलते हैं. इनसे बातें करेंगे तो हम भी मेंटली डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे. यूड बेटर बी केयरफुल मिस्टर एलेक्सी. द एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड इट कैन मेस विद योर माइंड. हाउ डू यू नो माई नेम? एग्जैक्टली. शी टोल्ड मी. अरे भाई डरावना बंदा है. बैठो गाड़ी में बैठो. निकलो यहाँ से. देखा, extreme cold would mess with my mind just like it did with yours. Ignition. Let's go. बढ़िया sound effect है. Where are we supposed to go now? What a beautiful landscape. I'm going to grab my camera and take a picture. Beautiful तो है but उतना ही डरावना भी है. Let's grab the camera. Okay, let's go. हिला ले अब तस्वीर को. Yeah, let's go. Is that all? Take a photo capturing the car and the landscape. I like the photo. I better get going. तो तू रुका क्यों यहाँ पे? तस्वीर के लिए रुका तू? इतना फालतू बंदा है तो इतना टाइम है तेरे पे? ये जो हमारा बंदा है एलेक्सी, ये एक माउंटेनियर है. माउंटेनियर लोग क्या करते हैं? लाइक पहाड़ वहाड़ चढ़ते होंगे. अरे घर, कौन से टाउन में आ गए? अरे एग्जिट. ओके लेट्स गो. ये होटल है हमारा. यहाँ पे स्टे करेंगे हम. फाइंड विक्टर. हु इज़ विक्टर? वो टकला. हेलो विक्टर, डू यू हियर मी? डू आई हैव टू नॉक द डोर? ये तो वो है, पोस्ट ऑफिस है आई गेस. Hello, Victor. Are you the Victor? Hello. Could you help me? I'm looking for Victor. You just found him. My name is Alexei Morozo. I sent you a letter a month ago. I received your letter. Many curious people take risks in these mountains, but you must be careful. The icy wind can mess with your head, make you hallucinate. I need you to be my guide, Mr. Victor. I need your help to retrace the steps of expedition that never returned. Damn, you have any idea what you are asking me? This is not a joke. It's not a walk in the park. मिस्टर विक्टर शक्ल से तो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन लगते हैं. Those young people died in a horrible way. Some traces must remain untouched. I want to research for evidence or clues about what might have happened to them. The families are still waiting for a logical explanation. Exactly. And I am the only one who can take you on this crazy expedition. Am I right? Yes, I will guide you, but be warned. It's a long journey that can freeze even your soul. अरे डरते हैं क्या? Thank you. I guarantee you'll be well paid for your service. पैसे ले गए भाई से पैसे ले गया यार तू. भाई से दोस्ती में पैसे आ गए. I won't do this for the money. Exactly. दोस्ती में पैसे नहीं आने चाहिए. We are chuddy buddies. Okay, I'm going to grab my backpack from the car. Okay, let's go. Hello, Mr. Victor. Is this your house? मेरे को पोस्ट ऑफिस लगा था ये. अरे मुंह पे गेट बंद करा बदतमीज. You look tired. It's good to rest a bit and eat something warm. Tomorrow at sunrise we'll depart. Yes, it was quite difficult to get here. Thank you for welcoming me. You can stay in my room. I'll sleep here on the couch. I don't want to trouble you. I can sleep on the couch. Exactly. We should not trouble the people that are helping me. Couch पे सोना चाहिए हमें. It's no trouble. I like staying near the fireplace. You can leave your things in my room up the stairs to the right. Okay, where are the stairs then? These are the stairs. Let's go. So this is the room. The mountains called to me as if they were expecting something from me. There are nights I don't sleep. I just listen, not to the wind but to whispers among the trees. Voices that are not mine, yet are not unfamiliar either. I started dreaming of places I have never been. Of faces I don't recognize until I begin to remember them as if I have lived it before. As if it's a cycle repeating itself and I am just the same instrument. With a different name in another time. The cold doesn't bother me anymore. Not the solitude, only the silence. When it fades and the voices return. That's when I feel most at home. Victor. Okay, तो बैग पैक रख दिया है. अब वापस चलें मिस्टर विक्टर के पास. हेलो मिस्टर विक्टर. Did you put everything back in place? Yes, it's warmer down here. The fireplace is old, but it's never let me down. Have a seat if you'd like. Of course. Mr. Victor is a nice person. It's a quiet place, almost as if time had stopped here. The silence of the mountains is not empty. It watches, it listens, it waits, sometimes more than we'd like. There's something strange in the air. Ever since I got here, I have felt like I'm being watched. The mountains have eyes and memory. You'll understand in time. Do you live here alone? कोई जवाब नहीं मिला. I've lost a lot, but sometimes everything that goes away finds a way to come back. Exactly. इसी बात पे सब्सक्राइब कर दो. Rest. Tomorrow will be a long day and cold. Thank you. Good night, Victor. Good night, Alexei. May your dream be lighter than the path. Let's go to sleep. Vizay Village, Russia, Sunday, August 18, 1993. Good morning, everybody. Mr. Victor ने हमारे लिए नाश्ता बनाया होगा. Hello, Mr. Victor. Oh. We need to leave. Night falls very early and it brings a freezing cold with it. नाश्ता नहीं कराएगा तू हमें? घर आए मेहमान को बिना नाश्ते के भेजते हैं. तेरे मैनर्स कहाँ है विक्टर? I've set aside some supplies for you. We'll need them. Get your backpack ready so we can go. Okay, I'll just be right back. Let's go, Mr. Victor. चलें? ये क्या है? अच्छा supplies. आजा. Are you really prepared? It's a very tough path. I've been preparing for years. I'm ready for this. I don't really like photos, but go ahead. We need to get going afterwards. Okay, take a photo of Victor. तेरी तस्वीर निकालूं? Let's go. The meter indicates your character's cold level. Don't let it get too high. The freezing wind of the Ural Mountains can cause hallucination and even death. Warming point. You can build a campfire to warm up at certain spots. क्या करना है Mr. Victor? Can you guide me? Build a campfire to warm up. What is that? Later. ये क्या है? This has been the hardest trek. Extreme cold, winds that cut through the skin and pierce the bones. I know we are going to make it. We all have experience in climbing and survival. It's the second day of our expedition. Yuri had to turn back due to severe joint pain. The rest of us are excited to continue. I know we are going to make it. Mila. Who is Mila? हाँ, ये भी उनके गैंग की मेंबर होगी. अच्छा, ये रही लकड़ियाँ. ओके, यहाँ पे लगानी है और अच्छा ओके लग गई आग. कैंप फायर भी बन गया. मच बेटर नाउ. आई टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्नैप सम फोटोज़. अरे यार बस कर दे, इतनी तस्वीरें ले रहा है. ए विक्टर इधर देख, तेरी तस्वीर बनानी है मेरे को. एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. तेरा तो स्वैग ही अलग है विक्टर. We need to keep moving. Find a safe place to set up camp before nightfall. So this is the same path the group took. Feels strange to be standing here. Yes. You'll still see some of the old trail markers, stakes and rope. They left them behind. What do you think really happened to them? There has to be an explanation. There's no clear answer. Let's go. We have got a long walk ahead of us. Alright, let's go. Victor is a nice person, but at the same time मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि is a suspicious man. इसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करना सही नहीं रहेगा. मतलब इतना चुप चुप क्यों रहता है? हाँ, कोई ट्रॉमा हुआ था तेरे साथ तो इतना चुप चुप रहता है? बता दे भाई, शेयर कर. दोस्ती में क्या छुपाना. Paranoid event. Infrasound generated by the wind passing over the mountain's top causes physical discomfort and mental distress. It can even trigger panic attacks and hallucination. Oh, ये तो बढ़िया जगह है यार कैंप सेट करने के लिए. Like really भाई. This is where they found the first bodies, just beneath that tree, next to the remains of a fire. No one marked. They were found half naked, barefoot, as if they fled in a panic. In this cold, why would anyone strip down in the snow? Some think it was hypothermia, paradoxical undressing. Others, they don't believe it was just the cold. And these cabins, hunters? Yes, used to be. No one comes here anymore. Not for years. The place is avoided. Feels like it hasn't seen life in decades. It's unsettling. They say this place changed after that night. Some believe the mountains are cursed. I don't know what to believe anymore. Anyway, we better keep moving. I just need to take a photo. Then we'll move on. अरे यार, इधर ठंड में मर जाएंगे. तेरे को फोटो की पड़ी है यार. वेट, फोटो लेने दे. What is going on? अरे क्या हो रहा है? अरे विक्टर कहाँ गया? विक्टर? Damn. What was that? एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वाज दैट? भाई सर घूम गया मेरा, मैं अंदर कैसे पहुंचा? हाँ, कहाँ गायब हो गया था तू विक्टर, छोड़ के मुझे? हे, आर यू ओके? यस, आई एम फाइन, जस्ट अ बिट टायर्ड. टेक योर टाइम, जस्ट लेट मी नो व्हेन यू आर रेडी टू कंटिन्यू. ओके, आई विल टेक माई टाइम. कहाँ पे जाना है? आई थिंक वी शुड मूव नाउ. चलें विक्टर? हे, आर यू रेडी टू कंटिन्यू आवर जर्नी? यस, लेट्स गो. Let's go, bhai. Why do we have to wait? Oh, wait, Victor. What is that? A piece of fabric. It looks like it has a stain of dried blood. Okay. I guess ये कैंप है हमारा. ये हमारा फायर प्लेस है. ये विक्टर का कैंप है. The fire won't last the night. We'll need more wood. Alright, I'll see what I can find nearby. Let's go. Stay within sight. This place has a way of hiding things. Even people. Comforting thought. I'll be back soon. भाई तेरे को डर नहीं लग रहा? हाँ? वो तेरे को ऐसी ऐसी बातें, तेरे को ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें दिख रही हैं, वो तुझे बता रहा है कि ये जगह ऐसी है वैसी है. तो किस बात की कड़े तेरे अंदर? मरना है तुझे? तो अच्छा, एक और नोट. There's something wrong with this place. It feels like everything here is paused. The silence is not normal. It's heavy, uncomfortable, like the air itself is listening. Sometimes we hear our names being called faintly, almost like the wind. But in another language, I did not sleep. I don't think anyone did. He spent the whole night sitting outside, without a coat, just staring into the dark. Nikita. Okay, एक लकड़ी मिल गई हमें. This is also a cross. यहाँ भी कोई बरीड होगा. Let's go. यहाँ भी कोई बरीड है. भाई इतने लोग तो मर गए अभी तक. 4 की तो कब्र मिल चुकी है. Alright, this should be enough. देख ले आया मैं लकड़ियाँ. ये ले. Thank you बोल मेरे को. The silence here. It's heavier than I remembered. I like it. Sometimes it's good to get away from the noise for a bit. अरे पागल है तू? You like it? Some say that silence is the path to truth. So I think we are on the right track. Right. I'm gonna step away for a moment. Nature calls. Step away from the camp to pee. अच्छा, सुसु करनी है. Yeah, damn, that was a big challenge. हाथ कहाँ धोएगा अब? हाँ? हाथ नहीं धोएगा हाथ? Stay right there. This is going to make a great photo. अब फिर तेरे को तस्वीर चाहिए यार. ग्रेवियर कैमरा अजीब बंदा है. हर चीज़ की तस्वीर चाहिए इसको. Well, let's go. We'll head deeper tomorrow. The last stretch will be the hardest. Right, I'll try to get some sleep then. Rest well. The mountain does not sleep. But you should. Good night, Victor. Victor, तू सीधी बात नहीं कर सकता. तू डरा रहा क्यों है मुझे? पहेलियाँ बुझवा रहा है मेरे से. हाँ? तो पता नहीं, छोटा सा दिल है मेरा. Let's go to sleep. Okay, we should now get up. रात के 3:27 हो रहे हैं. बाहर जाऊँ मैं? अरे नहीं सो रहा भाई विक्टर. कहाँ है फिर विक्टर? मैंने बोला था विक्टर सस्पिशियस बंदा है. स्ट्रेंज है थोड़ा सा. अभी छोड़ के चला गया मैं इन द मिडल ऑफ द जर्नी. सुसु करने गया है. हाँ विक्टर. ओह शिट. ओह एक और ग्रेव. some kind of tool. अरे यार क्या कैसा अजीब सा साउंड इफेक्ट है. बट किसकी डेड बॉडी है ये? अरे कैसे? तेरे को क्या हो रहा है? तेरे को क्या दिख रहा है? टेल मी. अभी यहाँ पे तो एक लाल फैब्रिक था. कहाँ गया वो? अभी तो तू नहीं था यहाँ पे. अभी कहाँ से? विक्टर इसके हाथ में सेम चीज़ है. What are you doing out there, man? You're gonna freeze. I guess वो चीज़ है उसके हाथ में. ओह, एक्स है उसके हाथ में. तू मारेगा हमें विक्टर? मारेगा हमें? ओह शिट. क्या हो रहा है तेरे को? ओए, मैंने बोला था. अच्छा, ख्वाब था हमारा, ड्रीम था. काफ़ी बुरा ख्वाब था. वैसे मैंने बोला ना, ये विक्टर हमें बिट्रे करेगा. विक्टर, तूने अभी मेरे को मारा मेरे ख्वाब में, पता है तुझे? Did you sleep well? This cold morning air feels really good to me. I had a weird dream. Feels like this place is messing with my head. It's hard to get used to the winds. They can really cause hallucination. I noticed there are 2 more crosses here. Were they members of the expedition? Yes, 2 other bodies were found here. Unlike the first 2, they were wearing warmer clothes. But it still wasn't enough for the cold in this mountain. Why? Haven't you said their names until now? Saying the names of the dead here is a bad omen. Mr. Alexei, we don't want to disturb those who have already passed. I made some coffee. It will help warm you up. Thank you. इसको फॉलो करना है विक्टर को. विक्टर, अगर मैं तुझे यहाँ से धिक्का दूँ, बचेगा तू नीचे जाके? ये किसका कैंप है? विक्टर तू चल, मैं आता हूँ. ओह शिट. What the hell भाई, ऐसे इतने गंदे से जंप स्केयर क्यों है यहाँ पे? This will be my last entry. The food ran out 2 days ago. The water too. The cold. It no longer burns. It simply numbs me. I feel as if my body is no longer here. As if only my mind is suspended in this void. There is something here with me. Something quiet. So silent that sometimes I think I am the one making the sounds. I hear the voice of my mother, my father, of the colleagues who died, but when I look around, all I see is ice and stone. If anyone finds this, run. Not through the trail, not through the wind. Run from the silence. Okay, I feel like ये भी किसी का कैंप था, क्रू मेंबर्स का. Oh, I guess उसकी भी डेड बॉडी मिली होगी और उसे यहाँ पे दफना दिया गया होगा. There is where they found him, lying still, as if the mountain had claimed his breath. Who was he? The leader. He led them into the unknown and never left. Do you think he knew what was waiting for them? Maybe, but some things call us whether we understand them or not. We should keep moving. This cold feels different here. Yes, the mountain remembers. I'm going to take a photo of the cross. I want to record all the spots where the bodies were found. हाँ भाई, मत ले तस्वीरें. What the hell is this? यहाँ से कैसे क्रॉस होगा विक्टर? How are we going to get through here? We need to climb. I'll tie the rope to your waist. I think if I fall, this rope won't save me, will it? नहीं भाई, this won't. Grab your ice axes. We can't take long. The cold is getting intense. क्या करना है अब? E. अरे भाई, मेरे को लगा गए हम लोग. लेट्स गो. आ गया तू कैसे आया? My God, are you okay? Yes, I slipped, but you were holding me, weren't you? Yes, of course. I would never let you fall. It would be a terrible death. Let's go. We need somewhere to warm up. Okay, let's go. यहाँ तक भी आए थे I guess वो क्रू वाले लोग. यहाँ पे भी कोई लेटर वेटर मिलेगा. Yes, as always, a letter. Today he started talking to himself. He says he hears something at night, like whispers in the wind. We thought he was joking until Mikhail heard it too. Mikhail तो वो था ना, वो उसका बेटा, निकोलाई का बेटा. There's a strange feeling in the air, like we are being watched. Even though no one is around, the maps don't show this cave, but it's here. Huge pitch black. Something is not right. Tonight we'll camp outside and discuss whether we should even enter tomorrow. I don't want to, but I'm outvoted. Mila. Strange, this cave wasn't marked on any of the maps I saw. You need to get used to it, Mr. Alexei. Things change in this place, exactly. Maybe you want to take a photo of the entrance. You won't want to go in there. What's wrong with this cave? There's nothing wrong with the cave, but inside there is only darkness. I'm going in. I'm here to find out what happened to those mountaineers. Be careful. I'll be out here. अबे नहीं जाना, वो मना कर रहा है तो क्यों जाना है तेरे को? Take a picture of the. अबे किधर मेरे को घसीट रहा है? Of the cave entrance. ठीक है. Let's see फोटो में कुछ है क्या? Explore the cave. I don't think he should explore the cave. इसको ट्रॉमा हो जाएगा. F2 torch. हाँ. वो जो क्रू था वो लोग भी इस केव के अंदर आए होंगे. What is that symbol? जो अभी symbol दिखा हमें. Oh, another. Oh, shit. भाई कोई तो किसी का तो मुंह पटक रहा था उसके ऊपर. और सिंबल्स. ये वो सिंबल है, ये वाला दरमियान वाला, वो जो दिख रहा है हमें. कैमरा तस्वीर ले ले इनकी थोड़ा पीछे से. बट ओके, I'd better head back now. I have a feeling that something is watching me. फिर डरावनी अलग. विक्टर, what happened? अरे विक्टर, और डरा. What the hell? विक्टर कहाँ गया? यहाँ पे फोसिल्स हैं. What the hell? Something is happening again. आगे से उन आँखों का मतलब ये है कि हमें कोई देख रहा है. वी आर बीइंग वॉच्ड. ये जो हमें आँखें तकरीबन अभी तक 3-4 बार दिख चुकी हैं. विक्टर, तूने किया वो? डैम, आई थॉट यू वर डेड. व्हाट हैपेंड? I heard your screams. When I got here, you were lying on the ground. I thought I saw you. Forget it. Let's just get out of this cave. Come on, I'll help you up. यार मेरे को सर में दर्द हो गया. इतनी कंफ्यूजिंग और ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग गेम है ना ये भाई. लिटरली इस टाइम पे. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दिस प्लेस विक्टर? These mountains hide secrets and they may never be revealed. It's been 30 years since I last came here, Mr. Alexei. I probably would never have returned if it weren't for you. हाँ ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, क्योंकि मेरे सर में बिल्कुल दर्द है और मेरा सर फट रहा है. आगे का हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब.